Very slow movement on the Bitcoin 1-day chart right at this area, and the market is selling at 42.3k as at the recording of this video. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin market is at this very level of support. Is market going to move upward or a little bit of drop to the downside into this very area of support? And I'm also going to talk about Ordi right here. Market have been moving upward, and right now market is in the retracement mode. All of this and more into this analysis. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. On the 1-day chart, I told you the market is going to come down, and we are seeing a sluggish movement to the downside around this area. And I told you that your first place you should be paying attention to is this very area right here of $40,000 and this very point right here of $41,000. That means the market have the capacity of moving into this very area where we see these spikes before the next move upward. And if we see a breakout of this very level of support right at this point, then the next area you should expect the market to move into is this very point of $37,000 and this very area of $38,000. So these are the two most important levels on the chart right now. So I am still looking at the market moving downward. On the 1-day chart, market should move progressively to the downside, and then here we have capacity of moving upward. And if market breakouts with a bearish candle, then the next level is this very area of support. So these are the two levels that you must have to pay attention to right now while you trade and maybe take short positions on the lower time frames. And on the 4-hour chart right here, if you look at the market, is at this very level of support. So even though the market move upward, the market still have capacity of coming back down because the 1-day chart is pointing us downward, and we have to trade in line with the higher time frame. So right now I am expecting the market to just move a little bit to the upside, and then continuation on the 4-hour chart BTC. A little movement upward into this level of resistance is possible, and then continuation. But the main thing is on the 4-hour chart, look for short opportunity while the market move back to the downside. And another key level that you have to pay attention to on this very chart is this very area where we see this spike from in the past, which was a very important support as well. If you look at it, the market moved all the way from this area to this very level, so the market have capacity of coming back into this area again after this little move upward. So on the immediate short term, expect this market to move a little bit upward into this area of resistance before continuation. So look for short opportunity on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. And on ETH have a lot of strength to move to the upside, which I am very confident of. And right now this very level is very important on the chart. This was where the markets go back down from in the past. So from this area, market moved down, and we have a significant move through this very point, which was a resistance. And right now market is tending to the upside. I am still expecting a little move to the downside on ETH before continuation upward. So market should move a little bit to the downside from where it is right now into this level before continuation to the upside. Because if you look at this market move all the way from here, impulsive move, retracement, impulse, and then this retracement coming to the market again before from here continuation to the upside. This is what I am expecting right now. So on ETH, wait a little bit for market to drop back down into this area, and if it break out here, then this level will be the final point for the market to begin to continue to the upside. So for ETH, look for buy opportunity at this very point or long opportunity at this very area. And the second level to look for a long opportunity is this very point as well. So this point, first of all, will make the market to move to the upside. And on Solana, if you look at Sol, have been retracing after this long impulsive move. What I am also expecting right now, because the market is at this level of support, if you look at this very area of support, we have a very important support right here, which was resistance at this point, support at this area. Market should move upward. So what I am expecting on Solana is market to move to the upside, but that is not the reason why you should take a long position, because this movement will not last long in the market. I am expecting the market to move a little bit upward and then continuation back down. So for me, it will be better for you to look for short opportunity on Solana. No doubt this market is going to move from here to the upside, but the market is going to still continue downward because of the higher time frame. And on Matic, if you look at Matic, moves significantly in the past few days, and right now retracement is coming into the market. It's very important that we see this retracement in the market right now. So I am expecting market to continue this retracement to the downside. So market should continue into this level on Matic before continuation to the upside. So this very point of support is very important right now. This is the area I am expecting this market to drop into before continuation upward on Matic. And on Ordi chart, if you look at Ordi USDT, market is going to move upward. So this very chart, I am expecting market to move upward. So this movement, the target should be this area of $88. This very point, I'm expecting market to continue this movement into this point of $88 before they move to the downside again. So on Ordi, it's a good buy for me. And on this very area of Matic, market should drop right down on the immediate short term. On Solana, there should be a movement upward before continuation to the downside. And on ETH, a little move to the downside is required before the move of continuation of this very impulsive move. And on BTC, market is going to move from this very area a little bit upward before continuation as well. And on the 1-day chart Bitcoin, I am still expecting this market move back down into this area, regardless the very dull in the bearish momentum right now in the market. So these are the various things I am looking at on these various charts. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.